That's his place?
I'll just put it in a Faraday bag.
Yeah, it turned into a shit show, but he didn't cuss it. He went head on with someone. They tried hitting him twice. We chased him across 2 counties, but the people that he hit, they're okay. But
are we charging him in our county?
We're going to charge him with
GSP is
charging with traffic charges.
This is his phone.
It was still on in the car on the floorboard, just like that.
Where's that?